This is a quick review on cell parts. I'm only going to highlight the cell parts that we think that you need to know for this test. First of all, we should remember that the nucleus is the area that houses the DNA. We find it in eukaryotic cells. It is right here. It's in the center. We find the chromosomes in there. It is sort of like our control center of the cell. Next, we have the mitochondria. This is what we call our energy supplier. It is the site of cellular respiration. That's what you need to know. Here's a picture of the mitochondria. We can see these inner membranes, these folds. This is where the electron transport chain happens. All things that we're going to talk about later on in Module 4. We have the chloroplast, which is the site of photosynthesis. Chloroplast has chlorophyll in it. It is an organelle in plants. We can see here there are some parts that you need to know, the stroma being one of them, which is where photosynthesis, the dark reaction or light independent reaction happens, and then the thylakoid, which are these stacks of pancake-looking things right here. Also important, that is where the light reactions occur in photosynthesis. We have the ribosomes, which are the site of protein synthesis. Remember, synthesis means to make. We can see here we have some free-floating ones, and we have some attached to the rough ER. Ribosomes are not organelles. They are simply RNA factors, so they are not technically organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum, we have smooth, which has no ribosomes. We have rough, which has ribosomes, and either way, it is the delivery system of a cell. And you can see it there, it's kind of folded membranes. And then lastly, we have the Golgi apparatus, otherwise known as the Golgi bodies or the Golgi complex. This repackages proteins. We see it here actually in the process of the repackaging.